Hello guys, welcome back to NAT. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix NAT Type Failed on PS5. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're looking for a way to fix this issue with your PS5, there are a few things that you could try doing here. Now, before doing these steps I'll be showing you, I would generally ask you here to first restart your modem. Sometimes your modem is going to be the problem here. So in this case, you want to turn off your modem, wait for about 10 to 12 seconds, and once that's up, you can turn it on and see if that actually helps. But in this case, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to your settings here on your PS5 and you want to access network. So go ahead and click on network here or select network. Now on the next page, what we need to do is you want to go to your network here and you want to go ahead and go to settings. And under settings, you want to go and choose connect to internet. So you want to turn this on. If you have this turned off, go ahead and turn it on. Or if you have this already turned on, you want to turn it off, then back on and see if that helps. Now you could go ahead and click on the appropriate or set up an internet connection option here. And from here, you have the following options. So what you need to do is you want to look for a connection that you want to edit. So whichever you're currently connected. And from that on, you want to go and click on it, and you want to go and choose the option here for advanced settings. Now, under advanced settings, you should be able to see a number of things, but what you're looking for is going to be DNS settings. So go ahead and click on or select DNS settings. Now, under DNS settings, what you need to do is you want to set this to manual, and you want to go ahead and basically set the values for it. Now, the values is going to be 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS, and secondary DNS is going to be 8.8.4.4, and just click on OK once you've done that. Now, in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video is able to help you like and subscribe to NAT. Thank you for watching.